What's going on, you guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video with your boy Abe Shaw. As you guys already know, well, as you already can tell by the title of this video, you already know what this video is about. I already told you guys, once the markets actually played out exactly how I wanted to play out, I was gonna come back over here on YouTube and show y'all, man. But it's just so crazy, like everything is just going crazy right now. So for YouTube, y'all already know I call trades on NAS100. But for my Academy members, for my Center Chat people watching this video right now, y'all already know how we going in the Center Chats right now. Everything smack TPs left and right across everything. Everything is looking peachy. Everything is looking good. Actually, as I'm recording this, I guess this, I don't know, this video right here is gonna be based off of, maybe I'll give you another setup or just give you another outlook of what I'm looking for on NAS100 again. But for right now, hold on, let me actually update my actual Center Chat and let them know the buy setups are good to go for our US 30 position. Alright, so let's come over here and let's do like a recap of what happened on NAS100. As you can see, this is currently NAS100. Originally, we had our different outlets. Y'all already know what the setups was from the last video. This is one of the setups if the market would have closed back under this zone. We would have looked for those sales, but as you can see, like, it came back to retest this price area, but it kept playing as support and not actually closing. So we did actually get a chance to hop in these sales for NAS100 just yet. That doesn't mean though, by the time you're watching this video, the market could be setting us up for this sell setup. So if you want to take the setup still later on down the road, be my guest. This trade will still definitely be valid. What's happening? This trade will definitely still be valid as long as it actually closes back under that zone. If it doesn't close and we find that this becomes a new support level, then you guys know, then cool, we'll just start looking for buys once it come back outside this zone. But to actually like focus on like where the market was at when I first called the buy setup last night for you guys. Well, the video yesterday I dropped that video at 2 p.m. So y'all got that video early on the YouTube side. But as you can see here, this was the original buy setup. We saw that the market was in the previous zone. This was the previous support. So all I wanted to see on Sunday, going into Monday night through London, right? All we wanted to see was the market come back inside this zone. And once it come back inside this zone, we would look for our buy setup for NAS100, right? And as you can see here, looking for the market to close back inside the zone. From there, I would look to take this buy setup to the previous lower high area, aka 19779, right? So once I ran a play on this, as you can see, the market opened up over here. I believe it gapped, if I'm not mistaken. So as you can see, actually, yeah, you can see right here. It gapped on Sunday, so the market pushed up to our entry area that I want to look for, right? So it gapped there. Then it gave us a retest throughout the evening. After it gave us a retest to close that gap, that's when we saw, and this is actually what I told my Center Chat too, like, hey, the next time the market pushes up, this would be our ideal entry that we'll start looking for to take our buys on NAS100. And it wasn't until around London session where it really gave us like a nice bullish engulfing candlestick, letting us know that it's ready to go. And as you could already see, the rest is history. TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4 smashed for 1,200 pips. And now we're currently sitting at 19,833. Right. So what I'm looking for now in the charts, when it comes to the next setup, hold a sec. God bless me. Hey, side note, if you didn't just say bless me, skip you. I took that person right there, like, dang, bro, you couldn't even bless me. I just sneezed, and I'm giving you all the value. That's kind of messed up. I remember that. But look, if it closes back out inside this zone, this is gonna be the sell setup. If it holds the net structure, remember where we talked about the overall swings we was looking for, but the net structure, I want y'all to focus on where is the next lower high structure. Where is the next area where there was resistance? The candlestick started rejecting off of this area, and then the market started selling, and that will be right here. So this market does continue to push and it continues to go for these buys. The next area that I will be looking for to hold my positions or looking to potentially for sales or potential breakouts will be here, right? I can see the market coming to the top of this zone right here, and then looking to sell off from here, and then coming back to retest the zone. Or we can wait for our buys, which will be our main buy positions will be once it closes above this zone. If it closes above this zone, that's the start of the indication that we're getting ready to go into like our forward uptrend moves again versus the downtrends that we've been seeing right here. Right, so ultimately it can look something like, let me delete everything real quick. So this is the next main boss level it gotta face. It already broke this structure. Cool. What I want to see, or what I could see happening on the charts, is it can hit this resistance level, reject off of the price, come back to retest the zone. It can make a full retest, or it can just come to like right here in this area. And then we are going to see a breakout. And then from the breakout, we're going to get a retest. And then it's going to be another breakout. So this is like literally option 1 scenario, typical movement of NAS. If it's going for the buys, it will do hit a retest, pull back again for resistance, close, take back off again, breakout. Either we're going to see a retest here off of this breakout, or the momentum, depending on, I don't think it's going to be like today. Because I'm going to drop this video today on Monday for y'all, but I don't feel like it's going to happen today necessarily, but maybe Tuesday, Wednesday when those news drop, we can see a momentum counterfeit go, right? And then some form of a pullback will happen, and then so on and so on. So that's option scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 would just be a simple retest. So push the resistance, reject the price, come back to retest again. If it fails to break this time, this is considered a double top now, and that's going to let us know that we're staying with our downtrend. And how do I know? Guess what? We can just come right here to the left of the chart where it did the same exact scenario. Came back, found resistance, pulled back to that support area, came back just to confirm it, failed to break, and this is doing New York session, so that's how you know. And then it continued to drop. So that's going to be the exact same scenario that we're going to look for over here on the charts. Right? So this is a quick video, quick little analysis breakdown of what I'm looking for now. Shout out to everybody that caught the first breakdown that I called for NAS100. Remember, like I said, if you want access to all my signals, just join the signals chat, or I am going to start dropping like a couple of little hidden gems over here on TradingView. So feel free to add me on TradingView at AbeShot97, and you can see my trade ideas from there. Alright, to the next one. Alright, let me just turn the camera back on real quick. So, literally before I got done editing the video, I literally was like, I might as well just update y'all now. So, remember in the video I told y'all NAS100, we caught those buys, right? And then if the sale ends up coming back to that zone, we'll look for the sales. Well, probably by the time you're watching this video again now, y'all already see TP 1 through 3 have officially smashed for that sales setup on NAS100. Now what I'm looking for is really, honestly, I want to see if this momentum is going to continue out, and then we could talk about what I said yesterday. If it ends up finishing closing off of this retest and it pushes back to that same buy entry setup, then I'm going to look for the same buy setup all over again. But for right now, we are literally, I'm going crazy in the chats right now. SPS 500 over 400 pips on the day so far. NAS100 over 2,400 pips on the day so far. US 30 been smacking TP1. Actually, US 30 is the only one that only smacked just TP1 for 360 pips. And then we got Germany 40, another pair that I've been trading, smacking literally 1,200 pips for the buy from the London session move. Monday, it started off with a bang. The week is still only just getting started. And it's ironic because this was a day where it wasn't supposed to be a lot of news. Actually, there's not a lot of news that came out today. And it's just the strength of Monday just doing what Monday do. So, had to come back and update y'all on that before I get ready to upload this video to y'all. Probably by the time you're watching this video, I'm probably going to try to drop it around like 12:30. So you're watching this video while you're having lunch, and you already know how the market played out. So, catch y'all in the next one now. Officially, ain't no more add-ons. Catch y'all in the next one now.